What's going on, everybody? This is Matthew and Elizabeth, and today we have a plan to go somewhere. And today is another day, a nice sunny day. We have a chance to change the world, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go visit another place to explore. Where are we going today?
So we're going to Wawa. This is like 2.5-hour drive from our place, and it's a beautiful town. And it's a beautiful day. Hopefully it will remain same for the rest of the day, and
yeah, so hopefully it will remain, because based on the weather, whatever we check on our phone, the whole day is sunny day, and right now it's morning. So hopefully we'll by the time we go there, visit, come back, remain sunny. All right guys, I think the video will be very enjoyable, because Wawa, there's a big goose, very big goose, giant goose we can show, and there's a very nice waterfall also we can show you guys, and that will be in our video today's part. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, we haven't reached Wawa yet, but towards Wawa there is one bay. It's called Old Woman Bay. That's where we stop. It's so beautiful. We've never been this place before. That's like towards from Sault Ste Marie to Wawa. It's situated on left hand side, but we've never been this place before. But look at that, how beautiful the place is.
yeah, we never knew this place exists even.
Yeah, we didn't know this place exists.
And it's so beautiful. It's like, it looks like Vancouver.
Yeah, it is kind of look like we're in Vancouver. Now we are kind of closer to water. Look at that, how clear the water is. Wow, my God. It's little windy. I mean, like, you can't jump on the water. We can, but we were not prepared to jump on the water. But
The water will be very cold.
The water will be very cold.
I really want to take a dip. Go for a flat space and clear water, some pebbles.
Yeah.
Kind of cold. to our destination.
Wawa.
This is the way. It's kind of like a car. It's really a sharp drop. Oh wow. So this is the parking lot. Ah, so much water.
So we are finally arrived at our destination. That's the high fall waterfall that we are talking about. So here, look at that. I'm gonna move forward. Look at that, if you come here, there's a bit of arrangement that you can sit down, have food or coffee or this and that. I know it's kinda noisy waterfall, high pressure of water. That's the waterfall. So it's kinda like a Niagara Falls water, but Niagara Falls is huge. But this one is not that huge, but is. If you stand here, I can feel the breeze, water breeze in my face.
Yeah, all the splashes are coming into our place, and I think the tide is pretty high right now because there is so much water coming down, tons of water. And there is a place over there that you can go and see. I think that's an eagle.
Yeah. Hey guys, there is another attraction of Wawa. That's basically the main place. Everybody come and stop here. There's a parking lot and all other places to stop, eat and this and that. But everything is closed right now due to the current situation. But anyway, we just wanna show you a little bit of. It's I think a symbol of indigenous people or.
Yeah, I think this is a bird, and it's carved in the tree. Say something GTC. I don't even know what it means, but
So-
anyways, it looks kind of good.
Yeah, it's a tree, but it's got a kind of art in it, a human face.
Yeah, and there is another place in here.
There is
Also, like the native symbols. One of those native symbols. I think it's a face with human. Probably a monkey face or something.
Yeah, it's a kind of native symbol.
Yeah, but it's pretty.
It's nice. Different kind of vibes in here. Different kind of vibes. It's a Lions Waterfall Park. I think that's what is. So yeah, it's a different kind of vibes. And you can see that's
I think this is an
and far away everything is. Okay, that's the information center. Any kind of information you wanna take, you can take it from there.
I found another place actually. It's called the Silver Falls. We're probably gonna go there.
Silver Falls, yeah.
Yeah.
We've been to a previous place. We've been to that scenic high falls, and it got a boat, kind of what in here, sandy beach or whatever the stuff are real attraction or you can places to go in Wawa. So yeah, but there is one other things we wanted to show,
which is the main
which is I think which is
monument of this.
main monument of Wawa, and that is, I'm not gonna say, I just gonna show you first and then I'm gonna say. So that's the high road, that's where we came, and that's the entrance of that information center, but it's closed for this season. I think they haven't opened up yet, but normally if they opened, and if a tourist or whoever visitor get tired, can get some drink. And that's the view from up top. It's a nice place, like in every city, every town, whatever the things are in like small little information center, that's what it is. So right now we just want to show you a big attraction of Wawa, which is
The Wawa Goose.
the Wawa Goose. Look at the size of that.
There's tiny in front of it.
Look at the size of the goose. If this kind of goose was in real, I think
It will eat people.
it will eat people. Yeah, back in dinosaur era. But that's, look at the size. Wow. Seriously. Try to look at that. This is the whole stone, and wow, it's huge, man. It's just huge. And that's the view from up top.
That is the Trans-Canada Highway.
That's the Trans-Canada Highway. Is
Connecting the city Wawa to the Trans-Canada Highway, like the rest of the Canada. And
Yeah.
from here up top, it's pretty amazing. You
yeah,
can see the road over there. There is a lake,
yeah.
and
Is-
probably there's some waterfalls in there too. That part. It's like pretty far and hard to see.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's like nice, and the best things. Canada is beautiful. Wherever you go, it's natural beauty, mostly natural beauty, no artificial beauty. Not like other countries like made artificial beauty. It's mostly natural beauty. But the one thing, you would be lucky if the weather is good. Then you'll have some fun. Not cold, no raining, no snowing. You'll have some fun to move around. Okay.
Yeah, I think most of the days in the summer are warm and it's sunny. Except from winter, it's snowing all the time and
Yeah.
lots and lots of snow.
Lot of snow.
Anyways, we'll head back to our road. Maybe we'll spend a couple of minutes in around this town, and then we'll go back to home. It's pretty late.
Yeah, so we're gonna go back now. So that's basically we saw three attractions in Wawa. One, the first one, kinda Old Woman Bay. The second one, that waterfall. The third one is the goose. But because there is not enough people there, doesn't feel like that fun wise, but still okay. You can come and visit this area. If you take a whole day, like 3 or 4 hours, it would be very good, like enough to move around. Okay, but yeah, and we're gonna go home now. We're gonna head back to our place, and thank you very much whoever watched the whole video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do
And if you
subscribe.
like this video, please give that thumbs up.
give a thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, give a thumbs up. And if you
Leave
want
some comments if you have visited this place, or if you like to visit this place. Please let us know in comments below.
Yeah, so let us know in comments below, and let us know in the comments below also if you want us to go some other places to visit and explore and showing this and that, and what else you guys wanted to know or wanted to show or want us to show you. All right, anyways, please do subscribe our channel. Stay home, stay safe, peace.